Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mr. K, and I'm bringing a video to you today to go over the basics of drawing a cylinder form and then using that cylinder form to draw the form of a cake, which is going to be important in our upcoming Wayne Thiebaud project. Okay, so first, to draw a basic cylinder, we can start with the idea of a rectangle. And then we're going to add the idea of a circular shape because the cylinder is round. This is like a squashed circle. It's an oval. It's what we call an ellipse. And then for the bottom, I'm also going to draw the same ellipse on the bottom. And you can start to see the cylinder form coming to life in just a few simple lines. Okay, we can use the same technique. I'm going to actually start just with the ellipse now to draw cylinders that are different shape. This one being shorter. Okay. This is the ellipse. I'm going to emphasize the front side of the ellipse. Okay, so here we have a soda can shape, here maybe a tuna can shape, and we also can get the basics of a birthday cake shape, which is the same fundamental elements. And we just vary the height a little bit. I match this curve is the curve I'm matching on this side. And that idea of taking a shape, a line, and matching that line down below, we're going to use again right now, because you can draw a whole cake this way, I don't know what would be on our cake. We could put candles, could put icing, etc. But one thing that I think would be really valuable in this project is to be able to draw a cake that looks like it has a slice removed. And so I start with the basic form, just as we did it before. When we cut a cake, we usually cut into the center of the cake. So I'm going to mark the center on the top and the bottom. Okay. And then we're going to make, what would be the cut in the cake. I'm going to draw a line to connect these two. Okay. From the center, the slice comes out. And I'm going to match this line here, which is on a slight downward angle, on the bottom, going out. Okay, and then I'm just going to connect the endpoints on these lines and erase the original ellipse line that was there. I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to draw the slice, a line that comes from the center out. This one goes slight downward angle to the right. I'm going to match that line down below and connect those endpoints and erase out the ellipse because we wouldn't see it anymore. Also erasing out this part of the ellipse because we wouldn't see it, and erasing out this part because that really is the other side of the cake. Okay, so now I have a basic fundamental cake form that comes together pretty easily. If you want to put some frosting in, I'm going to match that same downward angling line again. Match that line again. And over here, I'll match this line. Oops. Okay. And put a shadow, a table line, and we have a really nice cake form. Okay, so these are the basics. I'd like you to try many, and get the hang of that and feel good about drawing a cake form.